Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed my channel. Today I will tell you how to do makeup step by step about for university and college girls. So let's start. Begin with the foundation and I will start my foundation with MAC NC40 and this is my beauty blender and I'm putting foundation, so it's just like that, little bit for the girls so it can be do easily. जो लड़कियां हैं ना जो कॉलेज में होती हैं यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में एंड दैट ऑल कि उसके लिए ब्लेंड एंड दैट ऑल इट जस्ट लुक गुड and it just blend nicely and और ये बहुत होता है कि ज़्यादा अप्लाई ना कर लें बेस, क्योंकि कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में ज़्यादा बेस सूट नहीं करती. लिटिल बिट थोड़ा थोड़ा लेकर आप इसको ब्लेंड करें, ठीक है. और इसके साथ जो है ना आपने हल्का हल्का ब्लेंड करें और हल्का सा है इसी बेस को आप आईज पर भी लगाकर ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. और ये देखें ये बिल्कुल इसी तरह ब्लेंड हो गया एंड ये सारा ब्लेंड हो गया, ठीक है. और थोड़ी सी नेक पे आप हल्का सा बेस लेकर फाउंडेशन लेकर उसको अब ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं कि वो इवन लुक आए, आपकी नेक और फेस इवन लुक आए, ठीक है जी. और ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ माय फेस पाउडर और मैक का फेस पाउडर है, स्टूडियो मैक है इसका फेस पाउडर है. और ये मेरा ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश है गाइस, बट आई विल यूज़ दिस ब्रश क्योंकि क्या होता है आप जब स्पंज यूज़ करते हो तो उससे ये होता है कि आपका बहुत ज़्यादा पाउडर लग जाता है फेस पर. थोड़ा थोड़ा लगाने क्योंकि आपकी ये स्किन जो है वो नेचुरल लुक आए, थोड़ी सी बट नेचुरल लुक आए आपकी, और इससे आपका सारा सिस्टम ब्लेंड हो सकता है. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल नेक एरियाज एंड द डार्क एरियाज एज वेल, ठीक है. और you can see I can have my all parts that are looking natural and looking very great. Now I will apply my contouring. This is my contouring brush and I'm using Morphe palette and we have this contouring shade. You can see these all are contouring shades and I'm taking the lightest shade so it can just blend it. From your ear tone to your lips corner. This is going towards same from another part side of your face. And contouring also should look natural as well, and it just and then under this area, this down as also we need contouring, and you just blend it with nicely. This is cheekbones and these all you needed to blend with this contouring as well. Now we need nose contouring. Nose contouring is the main part that we need to have it. So I use this brush for nose contouring, and you can see how I'm doing. And then you blend with your fingers as well. Yeah, you can blend with your beauty blender or your fingertips. This is what I just look. You blend it with your nose, it just look good, and it just look good. You can guys see this is how I blend my tips with fingertips. It just look natural. Okay, next I have my let's have my blushing, guys, and I'm using my blushing Sephora's, and this is very natural brush. थोड़ा सा लगाएं, बट लगाएं थोड़ा सा. इफ़ यू थिंक दैट इट ज़्यादा लग गया है और इसको हम कैसे ब्लेंड करें, तो फिंगर टिप से भी अपने इसको ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं और ये आपकी नेचुरल लुक लगेगी. ठीक है, ये आपकी नेचुरल लुक लगेगी. एंड देन यूज़ देन आई गो टू माई आईज. सो आज हम थोड़ा different makeup करेंगे for like kind of I tell you that before and after as well. We will just have little. I'm taking the brown shaded color of Morphe for my eyebrows. So you can see I'm just kneading my eyebrows, so it just look definitely new. And it just kind of just blended with nicely and with the part that you need to complete with the shade. So you can see almost my eyebrows are ready, and I'm just getting equal both sides. So you can also see these are both. You can mirror this with this, so it just look natural. Okay, now I want to make my shade with a palette of I have the shades that I have. This is a very different shade. This is maroon or kind of shade. I just use this little bit for the dap, little bit, use just little bit, and from both sides you can see just little bit, and then blend with this brush. You can see it just look natural. हल्का सा आपने ब्लेंड कर दिया, उसके बाद जो है आपने इतना ब्लेंड करें कि आपका नज़र आए हल्का हल्का, ज़्यादा नहीं बट हल्का हल्का नज़र आए आपको, एंड दैट लुक गुड. द सेम थिंग आई एम डूइंग द सेम साइड. Now I'm using this MAC palette, and this is my favorite palette, and this is I'm little bit kind of pinkish color for my finger. I will take from finger as well. I'm taking from finger. So it just look natural, and it just a kind of natural makeup, and I think it's just a kind of makeup that you always want to have it और then I'm taking the Huda Beauty highlighter palette for the upper area, little bit silver, and just blend with this. So just fingertips as well. It just look the same part you want to have it. And you can see guys, it's just a natural look of makeup, and you can do with your universities, you can go to school with anyone. If you're going for a dinner as well, you can do the simple makeup and you go for that. Okay, now I will have my liner now. So I'm taking this brush, the liner brush, and taking little bit black. This is black my. This is aqua liner. So you can see how I apply it. So it's almost, liner is almost complete. You just need to figure out how it just look, the liner is just perfect or not, because you have to equal the both side as well. You need to do the same part, that you have to be very equal. And then you can have a little bit little bit highlighter with the same palette. I can have it kind of pink or something. I'm just using this pink kind of shade, and just put it on this corner of your eyes. It just look good when you are here for that. And it just look good. And I think I just put kind of little bit maroon type of on my eye was. And this is just a natural look of your makeup. And the last thing, I just do the highlighter on my face, and I think we are almost done with this. I can use the little bit this and rose gold. And then I can have the lipstick before us, so we can apply a little bit. It just look natural as much I want to be, and I hope you guys like it, and give a thumb up. Before I give you one thing, I just want to be apply mascara. I just main part of your makeup is just mascara, and it just look good when you applied. Because little bit, क्योंकि आप यूनिवर्सिटी जा रहे हो, कॉलेज जा रहे हो, तो just look little bit to be natural. And this is what I have done. Thank you so much for watching my video, and give a thumb up and give a subscribe, and see you on next video.